Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a server with adequate CPU and 1 Gbps or better bandwidth, a domain or static IP, and budget. Once chosen, provision the VPS and update its OS, run package updates, and enable a firewall. Next, decide the protocol, WireGuard for performance, OpenVPN for legacy clients, and install base dependencies. Make sure to create a dedicated admin user and SSH keys. This prevents later privilege issues and speeds the secure deployment that follows. Now you build the core. Install the VPN package and generate server keys, certificates, or WireGuard key pairs. Store them securely. Once done, edit server config to define subnets, routes, and DNS. Prevent leaks by pushing secure DNS to clients. Configure NAT and firewall rules to allow /tap interfaces while blocking unwanted access. Then implement user authentication method and scripts for onboarding. Automate certificate issuance, and include connection profiles for major platforms so clients can connect reliably and quickly. Finish by testing from varied clients and networks. Confirm public IP change, DNS integrity, and acceptable throughput. Once tests pass, enable logging and monitoring, set up automated backups and certificate renewals, and apply rate limits or bandwidth shaping as needed. Make sure failover or onboarding scripts run. If things go wrong, first check firewall and NAT rules, then restart the VPN service and revalidate keys and route tables. Often a small route or permission error is the culprit. Document configs for future maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.